This is a part of the West Lafayette community. The town has brought in the best of the best to make this into a new park.
We are Prestige Worldwide.
We are an engineering firm from Gun Barrel City, Texas.
We flew up here because we built some of the most amazing parks in the world.
These are some of our best parks.
Hi, I'm an industrial engineer. I basically make sure the designs and overall structures are suitable for people to have fun. I make sure that man-machine network is working perfectly, and more importantly, that everyone is safe at all times.
Hi, I'm a civil engineer. In projects, I determine the best materials to use that will be the most cost-effective and sustainable. I also plan the construction of structures and ensure that all plans are up to code and that they align with government regulations. I then make sure that projects remain safe for years after construction.
I'm an environmental engineer. I make sure that the quality of the environment around engineering projects is maintained or improved. I also help optimize resource use and determine whether or not the project complies with public policy. Basically, I help coordinate society's interaction with the environment.
I'm a mechanical engineer. I analyze problems to see how mechanical and thermal devices, pretty much anything that moves, might help solve a particular problem. I develop prototypes, test them, and use the results to then change the device to better suit the problem. I basically oversee the process of designing and manufacturing products.
Park, I get to make the design of the play set. I get to decide if it's better for it to have monkey bars or a swing set. I also get to make sure that the park will be safe in the future and make sure it can handle lots of stress.
Whoa, look at all the stress the playground can handle.
Ew.
Look at that civil engineer. She's testing the stability of the structures.
For this project, I'm making sure that the park does not negatively interfere with land surrounding it and vice versa. One of the first things that needs to be done is a soil test to see if the land is even safe to build on. I'll check for toxins in the ground that could potentially seep into the play area and harm the park goers.
Look at that environmental engineer. She's testing the soil to make sure it's extra safe for kids.
My job is to make sure that the design of the park, the spacing, the overall environment is suitable for children to play, that the ladders aren't too big, not too small, that the slide is fun, and that the overall design is fun and attractive.
Look at that industrial engineer at work. That slide looks safe and industrial engineer approved.
My task is to oversee the construction of the fun stuff like the swing or the fireman's pole. I make sure that they're built properly and that they can handle the stress over the time that the park is being used.
Look, it's a mechanical engineer checking if the swings are built properly. It looks like they are. After 6 weeks of construction, the park is finally complete. This deluxe park is equipped with Wi-Fi, lots of seating, picnic benches, rocks, and trees. There's even a giant slide. Or prepare to climb this tower of fun. Or see how high you can get on this deluxe swing set. Just drop in for a good time. Let's see what the locals think of the new park.
Hi sir, how are you liking the park?
I love it. I practically live here. I love the slides, the swings. I love everything about it.
Great!
I'd say that's a job well done, team.